So how will you set up for it? All you need to do is write north, south, east and west on 4 pieces of paper and stick them around the room. If you have wireless headphones, do put them on because it will enhance their journey. If not, you can play it out loud. So once you've done that, stand in the centre of the room and now press play on your chosen audio adventure. Your child will need to just follow the instructions in the story, and then afterwards you can have a discussion with them about how it made them feel, what came up for them, and also use the follow-on activities that we have linked to each audio adventure. If your child is listening to a reception story early years, then they won't need to stick up north, south, east, west. They'll just have to get into the middle of the room and you can hit play. So let's have a little look. Say my child is in years 1 to 2 and we want to do a history experience. I'm going to choose Neil Armstrong. So for each adventure that you see, you'll have a setup guide. Click on this and you'll see that it tells you the length of the audio, starting positions, the learning intentions, synopsis, characters, locations, a glossary, ideas for discussions at the end of the experience. You'll also have a little handy reminder about using the resources. Now Press Play is fabulous for helping children to be creative in their writing as well. So this will be something you should definitely explore afterwards. So you've got your north, south, east, west in the room. Child has the headphones on if you have them, waiting in the middle of the room. All you need to do is now press play on this button.
Welcome to Now Press Play. You are about to go on an adventure. Listen carefully to the instructions.
This will play out right until the end, and at which point you can have that lovely discussion that we just mentioned and then use some of the follow-on resources. So here you could click on the writing tasks and it's got various ideas for you to do, a newspaper report, an Eagle logbook, etc. And there's a quiz and things for you to do too. So please send us some pictures of your child doing Now Press Play and also the lovely work that they complete afterwards. We're on Twitter and Facebook and we're using the hashtag NPP at home and hashtag Make My Child's Day. Enjoy.